Welcome to Bite to Delight. Today I am bringing to you something different. It is a birthday celebration video at home. So it's my husband's birthday this month and I am anyway celebrating at home, so I thought I'll share some of the tips and things that I'm using. So I start with homemade cafe. Interesting, right? So let's get started. So this is my balcony. So basically I just move everything around. Here I make a makeshift cafe sort of a look and clean the place up, and then I set it up. So do let me know how you are celebrating any of the occasion, like birthdays, anniversaries, date nights. What are you doing specifically? These are the small things that makes us happy. So now we can't go outside and we have to do whatever we have in our hand and make us feel special, right? So this is my small way of celebrating. You can use it for birthdays, for anniversaries, for date nights, or just like that. It's super fun to do if you're doing it with a lot of people. Like here I'm doing it with my family. I'm just setting this up and it's fun. It really makes you feel good. So what if we can't go outside? We can't go to the cafe, so we bring the cafe home. So this is one of the study tables that we have. It's like a laptop table and I'm using this as our float table, and these are all the normal cushions that I have. This is one of the mattress that is there and I never use it, and this carpet is something that I bought some time back and it was just kept there. So just putting it all together and giving it that cozy feel. You can do it inside your house, a place where if you don't want to do it outside in a balcony, you can just use the living room where you get a lot of sunlight, any part of that, and you can just make it cozy, make it your own. Whatever you have at home, just explore your artist. We all have that in us. So I found that the small cushions were not working for me, so I got some big ones. And that's it. We are a tea and coffee lover. We love both. So this is more like a tea setup for us. So here is the finished look that I've created for our homemade cafe. Just some tea biscuits and a very cozy place to sit. We have done this quite a few times and we just love to sit here for hours and we just keep talking. It's really nice. You should give it a try. And it just takes half an hour to put everything together, that's all. Trust me, you will love it. Next we move on to Melody Cafe. These are all the funny names that I've found. So it's the same setup. So if you have any, like my husband is right now getting into the music thing and he really likes playing guitar. So I thought of putting it there, and then we have this hookah which we got as a gift and a little bit of wine for an evening setup. And then you're good to go. The same thing, same setup, you can do it. You can add anything you want. This is one of my ideas, but feel free to explore what you like the most and just go for it. Here I have a coffee mug cake which I will link the video. You can just follow it and we just sip to our wine, have a spoon of the cake. This cake literally takes 1 minute. Next is lazy movie night. This is my favorite. You really don't have to do much for this, but you enjoy to the fullest. So I made just popcorns using the Act 2 popcorn pouch, and I made some very simple snacks that you can make at home. It really doesn't take more than 15 to 20 minutes to put together. So here I've taken bread. This is like a bread pizza. I'm adding the pizza sauce that I make at home, or if you have a store-bought one, you can use that too. I will link the pizza video here, so if you want to make the actual one, you can do that. But I was a bit too lazy, so I stuck to bread pizza. Then I just topped it up with whatever I had, some corns, tomatoes, onions, capsicum. and then added some cheese, and that's it. You just pop it into the microwave for 30 seconds, or if you're doing it in a tawa, cover it and cook it till the cheese melts, and you're good to go. It really tastes good. Just top it up with some chili and some oregano. Next is a Monaco snack. I've always seen in the commercials of Monaco, they would make such beautiful looking snacks, so I thought I'll give it a try. So I just took a cheese slice and I'm cutting it into small pieces. These are all just fun ideas. If you want to try something else, please go for it. It's just what I thought and I'm making it. So it's really fun. You should give it a try, I must say. So I took these snacks. So make sure if you don't have Monaco, use a salty biscuit. It'll taste really good. So here I'm just placing the cheese on top of the biscuit. Then I'm using the onions and tomatoes and boiled corns, whichever I have. Whatever you have, you can use it, and top it up with that. These are all the small fun things that we do to make ourselves feel special at home. So here I am, putting all these together. You can try out some other snacks if you want. One baby corn, boiled corn I'm adding here. And then I topped it off with some chaat masala. And I added these coriander leaves. And then I added some sauce to it. So if you have tamarind date chutney, that will go really well with this. If not, if you have that pasta sauce left over from the bread pizza, use that too. You can just explore it. So it's really yummy, and it just doesn't take any time to make it. So now I'm just setting up the living room. Not doing much, just keeping the place very tidy. I'm adding a table runner to it, and very basic things, whatever I have at home, that is what I'm using. Just giving it a different edge so that it looks beautiful. So then I have one small tray and this rose, because of course, date night. And then I start assembling everything on the table. Okay, I put the cushions here, making it a more cozy sort of a thing. Movie night at home should feel really cozy and warm, so that you can just sit and snuggle and watch your favorite movie for birthday. What else do you want? Seriously, this would be like the best thing, right? Quarantine is actually helping us explore our creativity and doing things in a limited amount of things that we have. So that's what we did. So for popcorn, I'm using these cups that I had, these smoothie cups and all that I keep buying. So I just used it as a popcorn holder. And then I decorated whatever I made in a chopping board, and it looks like a platter, right? So that's the fun about it. You just go and do whatever you want, and that's it. It's really simple to put together, and it feels so good. You can just sit, relax with your loved one, celebrate a birthday, watch a movie together, and have a good time. That's all that matters. I always like to keep a rug sort of a thing. It really feels very cozy. So here is the snack platter that I have made for the movie night celebration. So we have the Monaco snack and the bread pizza, but I would highly recommend for you to make the actual pizza that I have shown in the recipe. I'm going to link that. It will be better, I feel. Or if you're just lazy like me, it's okay, go for the bread pizza. So it's all about having fun and making ourselves feel special. So that's it. And we have a mug cake, of course. So this time I made chocolate mug cake and I topped it up with some almond shavings. I'm going to link the recipe here. Some cold drinks and of course movie, so popcorn and cold drinks. So this is how the whole setup looks. This is my table and this is how it looks, and do let me know how you find it. So what's your favorite movie snack? Is it popcorn? Is it nachos? Is it bhel puri? Is it something else? I would love to know that. Do comment below and let me know which is your favorite snack, movie snack. So the celebration begins. A super lazy and fun celebration where we were just sitting together, sipping the cold drinks, having popcorn and watching Notebook. That's the evening. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. You will get notified whenever I upload a video. And I would love to hear the feedback. If you guys like this video, show your love and let me know in the comments. I will make more such videos, and if you plan to try this out, please click a picture and let me know. Tag me and write in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Love you all. Until next time, bye.